Hello everyone. Professor Natalie here to talk about job analysis this week. As a quick review, last week we looked at the value that talent acquisition brings to an organization and some of the staffing options we have in filling positions. This week we will take a step back at one of the processes we use to determine what work needs to be done, which is a job analysis. We explored job analysis a bit in MHR 5302 as part of the strategic part of organizational design. In this module, we look at how job analysis information is actually applied. Once a job analyst, employee, supervisor, or an HR rep gathers data through interviews, questionnaires, observations, and other means, we have a pool of information on tasks, performance standards, responsibilities, knowledge required, skills required, the job content, the duties, and even the equipment used. This is the information we divide into tasks, duties, and responsibilities, those three things. For the job description and performance appraisals, we use the data in our recruitment and selection processes, training and development, and compensation management as well. Information from job analyses is used in job descriptions and also in forms. So what does the data actually contribute to? It contributes to job classifications such as job families, job exemption status. So when we know what the work is, we also know what other types of jobs, job families it should belong into, and also whether the work is repetitive or requires judgment, which would then be whether it's exempt or non-exempt. The data also informs performance appraisals. We, of course, then know what should be done on the job. It tells us what training needs there are. It can also tell us what the job needs in order for promotions. It tells us work system structure or org design. And the data can also tell us about safety, what tools are needed, the environment in which the person will work, whether it's noisy, cold, hot, etc. Those are things that we will put in a job description and even a job posting. It also tells us legal requirements. A job analysis can point out both essential functions of the job and the BFOQs. Remember, those are bona fide occupational qualifications that would allow a company to insist on certain characteristics even if they go against anti-discrimination laws. So review the Caldwell and CPS consulting articles for more information. Finally, take a look at the article on Walmart and their effective approach to workforce planning. Walmart is a huge organization with many moving parts across the world, so that we know that they must be doing something right in staffing their organization. Okay, assignments for the week include a discussion about job analysis and the components important for job documentation. You will need to provide 4 tips on how to write an effective job description using job analysis data and support your positions with information from the reading material. You will also be completing your second learning reflection, and the link is in the module. Make sure to read any feedback I've provided in your last learning journal to understand the expectations if you are off track. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy the week.